Hi! In front of me is REALME GT2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration settings on this REALME. Start by opening settings. Now scroll down and click on sound and vibration. Over here you need to click on sound mode and select vibrate if you wish to mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. Then scroll down and click on the switcher next to vibrate on ring. This way you can switch on or off vibrations via incoming calls. So sorry, misclick. Then click on vibration intensity and adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls and notifications once by swiping left or right. After that, click on haptics and tones. Now click on the switcher next to system haptics to switch them off or on, and if you wish to switch them on, you can adjust intensity of them by swiping left or right over here. Then go back and choose ringtone. Now you can select vibration over here and tap on one of those vibration patterns for your incoming calls, disable vibrations completely by choosing no vibration, or synchronize them with ringtone by tapping on this option over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!